Hey everyone, it's Elaine. I wanted to come and tell you some more that has happened. Me and Sissy are in here. She says, hey everybody. I think she wants me to hold her. She's not quite good with this building yet. Anyway, I wanted to come in and tell you that after I got all of this drywall up, I realized that I did not have the wiring that would go from the inside unit of the air conditioner that will go through to the box that's going to be out back. So this air conditioner is a split unit. You've seen them, they hang on the wall. And apparently it takes special wiring. 14-4 is what they called it. So it's 14 gauge, 4 wires that are 14 gauge. That's it. So I still, I had to do that. I wasn't thinking straight about it. And then I put up a cross piece in here that the unit is going to actually hang on. All right. So that has actually been done and added to it now. And I show you this only because it is things to think about. All right. And I'm trying to see if there is really anything else that I have finished at this point. I think that's really it, but my insulation is all up. Oh, I know something that has become a boo-boo. When the foam guys, they actually foamed my gables. Well, the one that, I'm trying to go slow here without making you seasick. The gable that's above the porch, I don't necessarily care about. I'm going to put a piece of plywood up there and just use it for storage. I think I've told you that. But this one needs to be drywalled. Well, they did not cut the foam back. It sticks out past the 2x4s. The other problem with it is they have covered up the top where the drywall, I don't know how the drywall guy is going to get the roof drywall and the wall drywall to come together. So, unfortunately, I've had to ask the foam guy to come back out and fix that and carve it. So, he's supposed to come this week. I am at this point, I've been told, 3 weeks out from drywall. And one other thing that I wanted to show you that I did, I took and with paint and I marked every place that there is a stud. I marked it on the floor. Now my plan is, after the drywall is up, of course I'll be able to see where the studs are for hanging things in the future. Then, once the drywall is up and it is painted, I am actually going to take a pencil and just lightly put a line straight out from where that black mark is on the floor. That way, again, I will know where the studs are. Why do I do this? Because I am not the best at hanging things and hitting a stud. Not everything I have is heavy that, I have to worry about that. But I do have one piece that is an old window that has shelves behind it now. It's really cute. It holds all my stamp pads, and that bad boy is heavy. So I want to make sure that when I hang it, wherever I decide to hang it, that I hit studs. So that's one little tip that I think was actually pretty smart on my behalf. So at this point, I'm not sure when I'm going to come back to you. I am simply waiting now on the drywall man. So I appreciate it, and it's a beautiful day here in Georgia finally. We've had rain for so very long. It's nice to see sunshine, and I appreciate it. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and watch me continue on this journey and finish up. You never know. You might be fortunate one day and be able to build one of these for yourself, and you're going to remember that I had these videos, and maybe it'll save you a little trouble as well. So I appreciate it. And again, Sissy and I, where's she at? She's right here. I always talk baby talk to her. I'm not quite sure why. But Sissy and I say, you have a good day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.